Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Guyanese-style pizza. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a Guyanese culinary haven. We'll start by crafting the perfect dough, focusing on achieving that signature soft texture. Then, we'll dive into selecting and preparing the vibrant, flavorful toppings that truly define this dish. By the end, you'll have all the knowledge to create an authentic and incredibly tasty Guyanese pizza right at home. Let's get cooking. The foundation of any great pizza is its dough, and Guyanese pizza is no exception. We'll begin by mixing 2 cups of all-purpose flour with active dry yeast and a small amount of sugar to activate it. Gradually add warm water, bringing the ingredients together to form a soft, pliable dough. Knead it thoroughly for approximately 8 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, let it rest and rise in a warm spot for about 45 minutes, allowing it to double in size. Now for the exciting part, the toppings. Start with a vibrant tomato sauce, infused with classic Guyanese seasonings like thyme, wiri pepper, and green onions. Next, generously spread your chosen toppings, which often include seasoned ground beef or chicken, bell peppers, and onions. Don't forget a generous layer of your favorite cheese. Arrange everything evenly, ensuring you leave about a 1-inch border for the crust. This combination creates a truly unique and delicious flavor profile. Once assembled, your Guyanese pizza is ready for the oven. Bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. This pizza is perfect for sharing with family and friends, offering a taste of Guyanese culinary tradition. For more great recipes and stories, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other amazing deals. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.